How to fix Facebook login issue. So you might be in the position where you try to log into your Facebook account but you are not being able to log in or access to your Facebook account. In this case, what you can actually do is first of all head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for facebook.com/login/identify. It will land you on this page. Enter the phone number of your Facebook account and then tap on search. It will show you the list of the Facebook account that is associated with your phone number. Head over to the Facebook account in which you are facing the issue. Select the medium to get the verification code. Let me just select the first one, send code via WhatsApp, and then tap on continue. It will send you one verification code on your WhatsApp. Copy that code and paste it here. Once you are done, tap on continue. Create a new password for your Facebook account and then tap on this checkbox. Once you are done, tap on next. It will directly open up your Facebook application. Now enter the new password that you have just created before. Once you are done, tap on login. So there you go, you have been successfully logged into your Facebook account. So that's it for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix Facebook login issue. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.